Hello, tubies! Guess what time it is? It's tubie time. And we're going in there. Alright, this ought to be a wild time. Okay, we got men at work here. How many young men does it take to pump up one inner tube?
At least 3.
At least 3?
At least 3.
Well, we got 4 here. What are the other 2 doing?
I'm here.
You want to try to get that home?
I have a tail. I have a tail.
We're at the river. I'm with my new friends! Oh! And the car got me here. Can you believe it? Yay, yay. This is our tribal Hawaiian man right here. Look at the hair. It even fits. I'm looking for the pig in the ground, but I don't see it yet.
He really is Hawaiian.
He is Hawaiian, actually, people. They're called Honolulu people or some shit like that. And for the guys that I have, I'm trying to give you a side boob shot there from my Leo friend, my other Leo friend. I'm the Gemini. They need my air for their fire. Oh, she said absolutely. Did you hear that? Oh, she agreed. Oh, see how much we love each other. Come on. Are the boob shots done? You guys want to see this. That's what they come to the channel for. $5 boob shots. Flip that hair, baby. Flip. Oh, flip it. Flip. Oh, goodness. Flip it, sugar. That is sexy shit right there. Flip it.
Do it. Do this.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Bend over and flip it back. Whoa. Whoa. I could tell you guys some stories, but there's some things that are just private. She's pumping away. I got her so nervous. She's hiding from you people. She's got mouth strength. She's a beauty. All right, tubies. It's noodling time, and not that kind of noodling. Here we go. People.
Got this, girl.
My drawers are coming off. Whoa! All right. Whoa! You got one now, brother.
What happened there? I got a leech on. Oh my god, for real? Seriously? Wow.
They're in frame.
So much for not getting wet.
Just like if they go too far out.
Oh my god. I'm officially wet.
I could use that chair now.
Right about now. Kaya.
It's zoomed in a bit. Well, I'm not sure.
Alright, there's the brood right there. They floated down a little bit. They went up over there by that tree, I think. There's a little trail. They're going to hike up and float down. These are young minds at work. Scary. We're going to see what's going to happen. You know, you can't trust these fools. No, they're good kids. They're very good kids. Here come the hooligans.
We're gonna hit the waterfall.
You're gonna do what?
Hit the waterfall.
Say what? All right. Hug each other. Hold on to each other. That's cute. That's cute. They're all together. They're holding on to each other. They're about to go to the waterfall. I should have gone down there. Maybe they'll do it again for me. All right, we're having a blast. Look at how beautiful it is. Having such a good time, you guys. They're having fun with the tubes, the noodles. That makes me feel good. I gave them to them. Hey, they're from the Dollar Tree. I'll get some more. I knew the kids would have fun with them. We're getting ready to leave. Oh my God, you guys. She had a leech on. We're packing up. I had such a great time. Freaking blast. That's my girl right there in the red. I mean, she's the boss mama.
I was not expecting him to get both my feet off the ground that easily.
They're very loving, loving people. These are my people. And look at how gorgeous Camden is.